नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का मसाला एंड तड़का में एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। हर बार आप देखते हैं कि मैं आपके लिए कुछ नया बनाती हूँ, बट इस बार मैं कुछ नहीं बनाने वाली। इस बार मैं लेके आई हूँ आपके लिए सरप्राइज। और सरप्राइज है मेरी फ्रेंड अहलाम, जो कि मुंबई से है। ये हम सभी के लिए कुछ स्पेशल बनाने जा रही हैं। तो चलिए अहलाम से बात करते हैं और जानते हैं कि अहलाम क्या बनाने वाली हैं हमारे लिए।
Hi, Assalamu alaikum, namaste, and welcome to Masala and Tadka. First off, congratulations.
थैंक यू।
This lady, she has done tremendous work in her videos. I mean, she's not much of a should I say it?
ऑल योर्स।
It's okay, few secrets. So, but no, she has shown a lot of effort in what she's doing right now, and I'm really proud of you, because right now is the time that people are struggling to stay positive, and she took care of it on her own, and it's really good. She's doing such a productive thing. So yeah, so today, as you know, we are making shahi tukda, which is a sweet. We can eat it cold as well as hot. Warm is better. It's mostly made of bread and milk, and all the ingredients are mostly available at home. So we really don't have to go down and buy stuff. Quarantine stuff, you can say lockdown.
A lockdown dessert?
Yes, you can say that. Like most of the things are available at home. So yeah, let's go.
Let's get started then.
So first we are using 1.5 cups of milk. That's one already, and this is another half.
Perfect.
Now I'm gonna add approximately 4 to 6 tablespoons of cream. Okay.
So
That's-
why are we adding cream to this?
It's in a process so that the milk thickens faster, and it becomes more fattier.
Okay, so she's making our work easier.
Yeah. Okay, so now what we're doing is we are keeping this milk aside on another stove, and let it reduce on its own. But yeah, keep stirring it oftenly, so that as I told you, it will not separate. Now we'll go to second step.
What's next we are going to do?
Now you can see I have already removed the edges and cut them into triangular shapes, which makes it easier to fry, as well as they look much more prettier.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now we'll start frying it, and we have to deep fry it on medium to high flame in ghee.
Ghee.
Pure ghee. Yeah. See, people use oil, but I think ghee, it gives us a really nice taste. Okay, now let's start frying them. I'll just check with the small one so that it's ready, because if the ghee is not as hot as we need, the bread will soak a lot of ghee, like a lot of oil, and we don't want it so much, like too much greasy. No. So, and yes, we might think that we are deep frying it, but if we quickly deep fry it and remove it, the bread does not soak as much ghee as we think it is going to, and if we do it on a shallow fry, it takes a lot of ghee.
Okay.
So I think it's ready now. Okay, we do the first one. There you go. Okay, and remember, don't make it too dark. Like, let it be till light brown. Don't make it too brown, because the taste changes. ओके, तो अब हम चाशनी बनाएंगे, जिसके लिए हम इक्वल रेशो का शुगर और पानी यूज़ करेंगे। तो हम इसमें 5 टेबलस्पून्स ऑफ शुगर लेंगे। 3, 4, थोड़ा सा आगे,
ओके।
ठीक है। और इक्वल ही हम उसमें पानी डालेंगे। एक चीज़ याद रखें, हमें इसको ज़्यादा थिक नहीं करना है, क्योंकि अगर हम बहुत थिक करेंगे तो वो ब्रेड सोक नहीं कर पाएगा, ठीक है। सो गैस ऑन करते हैं और हल्का सा बॉईल आते ही हम इसमें सैफरन डालेंगे, ऐड करेंगे। ओके, अब आप देख सकते हो इसमें हल्का सा बॉईल आना चालू हो गया, तो हम इसमें सैफरन ऐड कर देंगे। सैफरन आपके टेस्ट के हिसाब से, आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है फ्लेवर तो आप ज़्यादा डालिए। मैं लगभग 2 पिंच डाली हूँ। Now if we can see, we don't want to thicken it so much, as we needed the bread to soak it as quickly as we can. Okay, and we can just check, see that it's the drops, and it's done. It took us maybe like just 3 minutes on high flame, that's all. Okay, now that the chachni is done, I've set it aside so that it cools a bit, because it's too hot for us to dip the bread. Till then I'm just giving the milk a stir, and I'm trying to reduce it as fast as I can. As you can see, it's not yet half, but it's almost getting. Okay, now that you can see, it's thickening up. Okay, and now it's done. You can see the consistency, and I'll let it cool. Till then, what we'll do is we'll soak the bread in the chachni, the sugar syrup that we made. Now I'm soaking this bread into this sugar syrup, and we don't want to keep it for long. Just dip and remove, and that's all. Okay, it has to be done quickly, not too much, that's all. Okay, now that you see, I've soaked all the breads in the sugar syrup, and there's a little bit sugar syrup left. Don't throw it, because we're going to use it to pour it on the soaked bread after we pour the milk, the thickened milk, so it looks good, as well as it has that more sugary flavor in it. And yes, I learned this recipe from my husband's aunt. She's an amazing cook.